Bro, I think CSK fans on Friday night would be shitting themselves because they know they lost the last time and they know that they're a better team. But if they get their pants pulled down again, would you rather be a loser or a cheater?
Like cheat and win 5 titles. I'll cheat.
But Kohli has always been good, no?
हाँ तो उसका क्या करूँ? मतलब RCB को जीतना है ना.
I know who will be the match winner for CSK. It'll be Virat Kohli.
Dhoni Pagloos and Kohli Pagloos assemble right here as it's CSK versus RCB time. One says Thala for a reason and the other one says when are we winning trophy? Maybe next season. So let's catch the buzz around this blockbuster of a clash, CSK versus RCB, and we have an RCB fan here, Avnish. If let's say RCB wasn't a subject in your school, which grade will RCB get?
RCB plus, B plus, RCB plus. You see what it is there? Not an A. They're definitely not a C, but they can beat a C on a Friday.
Oh, C on a Friday.
Yeah, Chennai on a Friday.
Oh.
Where were you when RCB beat CSK in CSK?
When did that happen last time?
2008.
I was a 7-year-old maybe playing with Barbies.
It's me! It's me! It's me!
You can ask the other RCB fan because I think he wasn't born.
You must be.
Yeah, I was.
Even though RCB won the first match, do they stand a chance?
I mean, do they stand a chance? Sure, yeah. I'm happy to be wearing the very tightly clad RCB jersey over here. But yeah, fingers crossed they'll do well, man. Not a lot of expectations from them, but yeah, hopefully they'll do just fine.
Why not a lot of expectations? They did so well in the very first match.
Yeah, but we've not won there in 17 years. There's a reason why we've not done that. It won't be easy.
But Kohli has always been good, no?
हाँ तो उसका क्या करूँ? मतलब RCB को जीतना है ना, कोहली का क्या करूँ?
Let's come to the CSK, the home team, the hosts. And we have GNT over here. Do you think Thala Dhoni is gonna plant 2 or 3 or 4 maybe plants with the dot balls that he's gonna play?
पता नहीं मतलब उनके balls का नहीं पता, but he will push. See, I'm not sure about how many dot balls he'll play, but one thing I'm sure he'll continue playing until I get old.
Oh, okay. So you are also like banking on Thala Dhoni only, not Rachin Ravindra.
I mean, you don't bank on Thala like after a certain age. You only bank on the other players, and Dhoni is there for being the face of the team.
And as we talked about Rachin Ravindra, you know, Bengaluru boy. Now he'll be facing RCB. Melville, do you think like he performed versus MI, he's gonna produce a knock like that again?
Nope.
Then any other CSK player who can come all guns blazing?
No CSK player will ever come. Not this time at least. I hope RCB, one of the RCB player will shine. No
One of who's that one RCB player?
Captain Rapa. No, I should say Jitesh Sharma, so that after that he can dance on. You all know it.
Dosa, idli, sambar, chutney.
Hardik, I thought you supported Gujarat, but why are you suddenly supporting CSK? Is it any hate towards RCB?
No. CSK have my favorite players. So
Who?
Shivam Dubey and Mukesh Chaudhary.
So you know, is this rivalry like overrated as beef?
I don't think it's a rivalry.
It's not, no?
No.
Overrated?
It's not a rivalry.
It's not. Then why are we creating so much hype around it?
No, people are creating hype. I don't think like CSK team in general, they consider RCB as like a rival.
They don't. What about RCB? Do they consider?
RCB would want to follow the footsteps of CSK.
Anirudh, if Kohli would have been with CSK, how many trophies Chennai would have won if they have won 5 so far?
I think 0. Because statistically, he's the worst captain in IPL, isn't he? So, going by that, I think they would not have won a trophy.
So Chennai wouldn't have. So it's just the Dhoni voodoo that works for them. Is that what you're trying to?
No, not really. I think if Kohli was captain, he would not have built such a team. I think there would
so it's
have...
Dhoni magic you are saying. None of the other 10 players
like
do anything. It's just Dhoni or what?
Maybe the Kohli curse.
Avnish, how can you even tolerate this?
I can't tolerate it. Yeah, I can't take it anymore.
You have to say it.
Had ho gayi, yaar.
Yes, had ho gayi hai,
So
yaar.
my question to everyone watching this video, would you rather be a loser or a cheater?
Like cheat and win 5 titles. I'll cheat.
I don't care about CSK, so again, it's fine. Like, I'd rather...
So you are happy that Punjab won their first match?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. And I hope like Nathan Ellis does well tomorrow. So.
If RCB versus CSK was a Bollywood movie, which movie would that be?
Bhagam Bhag.
Why?
Because RCB have always been running from CSK. They always get beaten. Like I did an article yesterday. So last time they won in Chepauk was in 2008, like what Avnish told. I just kept looking for the times when RCB would beat Chennai. But I ended up doing an article 3 times RCB were humiliated in Chennai. So
Guys. See, they are forgetting 2024. Yash Dayal, MS Dhoni last over 17 runs.
Oh, I remember when RCB won the title in 2024. Do you? After the debate CSK.
Roshan, you are a CSK supporter, but you are wearing a Rajasthan Royals jersey.
There was no more, CSK jersey. That's why I had to wear this.
Garib ke garib hi rahoge.
But it's okay. Once a Thala fan, always a Thala fan. Doesn't matter for jersey.
So, are you excited that he'll be planting more trees or what else?
किसी काम तो आ रहा है धोनी plant ही कर रहा है किसी काम तो आ रहा है.
Strawberry farmer, तो has और on field भी दिखाना पड़ता है.
Farmer for a reason.
And we have another CSK fan. Like we are in Bangalore, but I'm seeing so much support for Chennai. I'll ask you your predictions first of all. Who will be the match winner for RCB tomorrow?
I know who will be the match winner for CSK. It'll be Virat Kohli.
Avnish, I'll ask you this.
They're all living in cuckoo land, yeah. That's what they are. They're all living in cuckoo land. They're all Talla Pagloos, like you opened it out. RCB are going to win this, wipe the floor with CSK. Otherwise, I'll be wiping my tears after this video. Either one of the two. But RCB is definitely... they can't even say 16 years that they've been in the fucking bloody IPL, bro, CSK. Have some shame. Bro, I think CSK fans on Friday night would be shitting themselves because they know they lost the last time and they know that they're the better team, but if they get their pants pulled down again. See, regardless, I think Geo Cinema is going to get, 60 crores? 60 crores viewership, so it'll probably be the most viewed IPL game ever. I think it'll better last year. Yeah.
For sure, makes sense because given how last year's game was, people are really looking forward to it. All we can hope for is it is a great game at the very least. It sounds very diplomatic, but fingers crossed. Of course, RCB crosses the line. But fingers crossed we get a fantastic game. Something similar to what happened on the 18th of May.
Catch her for the watch along, catch her for fan cams, and catch me losing my head on the night. Cheers.